Hi guys, this is the boiler, and at the moment it says 0.4 bar. That is the low pressure signal. But for the radiators to operate, we need to have at least 1.5 bars, so 1.5 to 2. So I believe this is the valve. This valve is what does the job of pressurizing. So it takes water from the cold water. From here it goes to the back through that little hose and pressurizes the system. So let's see. So I open this like that. You see it starts water flowing, and see the pressure should go up 0.5, 0.6, so this is how you bleed. You see, air is coming out. So you have to keep it that way until all of the air is out. So as we do this, the pressure drops. So we have to go and repressurize the system. Oh, there are lots of air in this big radiator. Okay, so as you can see, no longer we have air and it's all water. So we tighten it and we go to the next.